The Caroma Peak Electric Scooter is a striking option for those seeking a robust mode of transportation that blends efficiency with durability. Available in 3 power configurations, 500W, 800W, and 1200W, this scooter is designed to cater to a wide range of riders, whether you're commuting to work or exploring off-road terrains. One of the standout features of the Caroma Peak is its impressive off-road capabilities, thanks largely to the 20-inch tires that provide excellent traction and stability on various surfaces. Upon unboxing the Caroma Peak, the first thing that catches your eye is its sturdy design. The frame feels solid, and the build quality is evident from the moment you lift it. It boasts a weight capacity of up to 264 pounds, making it a suitable choice for a variety of users. The scooter, particularly in its 1200W configuration, feels powerful right from the start. The acceleration is smooth and immediate, offering an exhilarating experience when you twist the throttle. The maximum speed can reach up to 28 miles per hour, depending on the power variant you choose. This makes it an excellent option for those who might need to navigate busy streets or simply wish to enjoy a quick ride. The Caroma Peak is equipped with an intuitive control panel that displays the battery life, speed, and distance traveled, which is essential for keeping track of your ride. The handlebars are ergonomically designed, providing a comfortable grip that makes longer rides less taxing. Additionally, the scooter features a seat, which is a major plus for those who prefer a more relaxed riding position, especially during longer journeys. The seat itself is cushioned and adjustable, allowing riders to find their perfect height for comfort. One of the most impressive aspects of the Caroma Peak is its range. Depending on the model you select, the scooter can cover distances of 15, 25, or 30 miles on a single charge. This makes it a viable option for commuting, running errands, or leisurely rides around the neighborhood. The battery charges relatively quickly, taking about 4 to 6 hours to reach full capacity. The ability to travel significant distances without worrying about recharging is a game changer for electric scooters in this category. The 20-inch off-road tires are a feature that sets the Caroma Peak apart from numerous competitors. These tires not only look rugged but also deliver exceptional performance on both paved roads and rough terrains like gravel paths or dirt trails. The scooter handles bumps and uneven surfaces with ease, ensuring a smooth ride regardless of the environment. This versatility is a huge advantage for riders who want to explore different terrains without being limited to urban settings. Safety features on the Caroma Peak are commendable as well. It comes with a dual braking system that includes both a front disc brake and a rear drum brake. This combination provides reliable stopping power and enhances rider confidence, especially at higher speeds. Additionally, the scooter is equipped with front and rear LED lights, which enhance visibility during night rides, making it safer to navigate in low-light conditions. However, it's important to consider some downsides. The scooter can be somewhat heavy, especially the 1200W model, which may make it challenging to carry for extended distances once dismounted. Additionally, while the design is visually appealing, it can be bulky for some users, making navigation through crowded areas a little cumbersome. The weight also affects the portability aspect, as fitting it into a car trunk might require some effort. Another point of consideration is the price. While the Caroma Peak is competitively priced for its features, it is an investment. Potential buyers should weigh their budget against the benefits of the scooter to ensure it meets their needs. In conclusion, the Caroma Peak Electric Scooter is a formidable choice for anyone seeking a powerful and versatile scooter that excels in off-road conditions. Its robust design, impressive range, and comfortable riding experience make it suitable for both urban commuting and outdoor adventures. While it has some weight and bulkiness drawbacks, the overall performance and features of the scooter far outweigh these concerns. For those looking to combine practicality with the